Good morning and good evening, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. Bandhan Bank is the bank which is started in, I think, West Bengal, right? You can see the description about Bandhan Bank in your Wikipedia or in Google so that you will understand more about the Bandhan Bank, right? I want to create a database, table design being done, relationships and data modeling is also we have done it. Yesterday, we have loaded all the tables into Power BI and started creating lot of reports. Before started creating reports, you have to ask the report requirements, right? So if you wanted to do the table design, one team, SQL team, or database team will be going and capturing all the requirements, right? So then only these people will be able to create the databases and everything. So once that is done, and these requirements are captured in a SRS document, system requirement specification document. After that, so architect is going to be, data architect is going to be taking the requirement and is going to be creating a ERD modeling. So this is ERD. ERD modeling is a diagram. So that architect, data architect is going to be creating. After that, so SQL development team is going to be creating a lot of code. Which code? SQL code will be generated. This code can be executed either in Oracle or in SQL Server or in MySQL, so the database is ready. So, first of all, you're going to be going and gathering the requirement. That is step number one. Requirement will be gathered. So step number two, the requirements will be posted in a document called System Requirement Specification Document. This document will be taken as an input by architect. Architect is going to be designing ERD. He will be giving all the tables and relationships. After that, a SQL development team is going to be developers. SQL developers are going to be taking the ERD, generating the code. This code you need to execute so that database gets created and sample data also will get inserted. That's it. Once sample data is ready, then BI team, business intelligence team, again BA team will be recruited in your company. So this is one team. Team number one is SQL and other team. Our team is called BI team. So BI team again going to go and they will gather a lot of requirements, right? So what is the requirements? What kind of a reports you wanted to have? What kind of a visualizations you wanted to have? What kind of a charts you wanted to create? What kind of a visualizations already you're having as part of existing reports? What are the new reports that you wanted to have? Or everything the BI team, business intelligence team, senior people will be going and asking. For example, me, I'm having 20 years of experience in the BI team, so I can go and gather a lot of requirements. I'll be writing. So, what are the reports the company wanted to have? So, who's the customer now? Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank is my customer. Bandhan Bank management, Bandhan Bank CEO, Bandhan Bank regional level sales managers, Bandhan Bank junior level management, CEO, CTO, marketing managers, sales officers, all the people are going to be having different reports. Normally, I create a report, I submit to my boss. My boss is going to create some reports and he will be submitting to his boss. Like that, everybody has to create lot of reports on their own. They may be writing the reports using Excel or they may be dependent on BA team. So, if they have a centralized BA team, all the management people will come to you. My name is John. I'm a regional level manager. These are my report requirements. So you have to gather all the requirements. He knows what is a card visualization. He knows what is a bar chart, column chart. He will be giving his requirements. Like that, people have to gather multiple requirements, right? So BI is a technical team. Bandhan Bank is the customer. Bandhan Bank management, like MBA guys or MCOM guys, CA guys, will be working as managers in the company. Those people are called business users. They don't understand the technical things. They ask you reporting requirements. So all the requirements you need to capture. You may be writing a document, document 1, document 2, document 3, all the document. So what is that they wanted to have? So these are the BI reporting requirements, and you will be able to create separately, and this requirement document will be given to BI team. So like data analyst, you are the data analyst. So I'll be taking the requirement. So I'll be giving the requirement to you. I'm the lead for the BI team. You are the juniors. 3 to 4 years experience, guys. You are going to be getting all the requirements. So reporting requirements, total loan amount, card visualization, total principal amount, card visualization, loan type wise total loan amount chart. What chart? It is a bar chart. So like that they are going to be telling you what kind of a chart they wanted to have. They know what is a bar chart, what is a pie chart, right? Customer knows. If you go to hotel, when you say chicken cheese biryani or chicken cheese pizza, when you order, customer knows what is the pizza, what is a biryani, right? Customer knows about it, but customer does not know how to prepare it. So chef is going to be preparing it. So all the requirement and which chart they wanted to have, they need to tell clearly, right? So that is the requirements they need to have. So yesterday I have taken the data. Now this is the data. Now I have inserted some new data here. So today I have inserted new data. So when I click on refresh, now the old data got refreshed here. Now this is the total data changed. So whenever the data modifications are happening in the tables here, because people are taking new loans, people are taking new payments are happening, loans are taking. So every day the data is going to be will change. So once in a while you need to refresh manually as of now, but afterwards we will be able to schedule the refresh with the help of a Power BI cloud service, right? But one requirement they told, this is the one loan, total loan amount, total principal amount, blah blah blah. Then you can also choose some designs, right? So a lot of designs you can have. This is one design, this is one design, this is one design. Or they may tell you can use some kind of other design. When you go, you will have a lot of designs. So one design, when you choose, lot of things will change automatically. So when you go to view menu, and you will be able to go try to choose one design, whatever you like it. So as of now, I have used this view menu, go and apply some design so that it is there. Click on save button. So one more requirement customer is telling, I don't want to have the currency in millions. So one more requirement is what? You need to convert. Okay. You need to convert all the currencies into Indian rupees. That is what is one more requirement. Okay. Next requirement, not only visualizations, they will say convert all currency into INR. So this is the one you need to do it. So they don't know how you're going to be doing it, but you need to create one DAX formula. Without that, you're not going to be DAX. You need to create for this. So let me write. It is a DAX. DAX they don't understand. So they may understand this. DAX means a calculation that you're going to be doing. So that you need to create one DAX. Convert all currencies, whatever be the currency that is there. For example, when you go to loans table, we have a loan amount, we have loan principal amount. All of them need to be converted into Indian rupees, especially this, right? So how do you convert into the totals? I don't want to have them here. I would like to have them in the Indian rupees. How do you convert? So any clue, guys? So how to convert? You need to write a DAX. How do you write the DAX? If you don't know DAX, you can discuss later. But when you want to create a DAX, you need to go and click on the tables are available. The loan amount is available here. So on this total, I'm able to get the total, right? So total you will be able to get it here. And this is one more thing. The total you will be able to get it here. So you need to create one measure. So what is the measure? All the data you would like to get in sum. Okay. So this sum also I wanted to get it. You will be able to get this sum. This sum you need to convert into INR. Okay. You need to convert into INR. If you wanted to convert 1 million is equivalent to 10 lakhs, right? So if it is more than 10 lakhs, so you can convert. More than a lakh means you can convert. Okay. So if you want to convert, you need to convert, take this value, convert into lakhs. Means you have to multiply with this so that you will be able to get the lot of data. Otherwise, simply you can go to Chat GPT, you will be able to ask the help. Okay. So what is that? DAX, you can say uh, DAX, I wanted to have the calculation DAX calculation. Okay, let me ask this calculation. Convert 12 million into INR. Like that, I wanted to convert. Okay, one example also it will be able to give. So, write DAX code. Something like that you will be able to have. It is able to write the code for your total sales. Now, this one it is able to convert into Indian rupees. It is giving, it is not able to give. See, many people are talking about chat GPT. If you know, it is going to give you a lot of things, but you need to understand whether it is giving right thing or not, right? It is going to be giving you something, whether it is, correct or, right, right or wrong, how do you know? So 1.2 million convert into lakhs using DAX calculation. So you need to give proper prompt. Okay, it is going to be giving you now like this lakhs measure. So you need to say divide. So this divide is the function. So take this value and convert. Divide means this. And after that, it is going to be, getting this value and try to give. Have you seen this? This is how it is going to be giving some kind of a formula that you need to use it. Divide. Okay, na? So try to create some formula. I got some idea. I wanted to create some formula. Now let us wait. So what I'm trying to do now, if you drag and drop one loan amount here to the card visualization. So sorry. So when you go, click on this card visualization, get the loan amount here. What is happening here? It is going to be performing a sum operation. What is the meaning? It will go to this column and it is taking all the data, and on the fly it is going to be performing the sum. It is taking one value by one value and it is automatically doing the sum operation. So this is what you are going to be doing it, but I don't want to use this measure as it is. What I'm trying to do, I trying to go here. I wanted to create, when I click on the loans, I wanted to create a new measure. This one is going to be summing. So summing your loan amount, summing your principal amount, all of them, you are going to be taking this column and creating. So what to do? You need to go click on the new measure. So what is that? I would like to say loan principal total amount. I can say total loan principal amount. This is the one new measure I'm going to be creating. So what I'm trying to do, sum, open the bracket, close the bracket, open the bracket. So I wanted to use principal amount. Where is the principal amount? Go. So principal amount. So it will take all the principal amount it is going to be performing some, and this is one measure I have created. So this is one measure like that. You need to create one measure for this. You have to create one more measure for this. Always don't drag and drop this into code visualizations. That is not the right practice in the real time, right? You need to go and you can create one measure for the sum. Or if you want to know what is the average loan, and drag and drop create one average for this loan amount. For example, some customers wanted to know what is the average loan amount they're taking. What you do? Click on this and go to new measure. So you say average, you need to do it average loan amount you need to create. How do you create? You need to use average function. Go and the column name is called loan amount. Okay. So we have a loan amount is there. So with the help of this, you will be able to create a loan amount. You have a loan amount, right? That is what you are going to be doing it. So with the help of that, so average. So average what? Loan amount. So when you say loan amount, so close, if somebody wanted to have what is the total sales, you can use this measure. But if they wanted to see what is the loans average, you need to create like this. So like that, measures are need to be created. Step number one. Now you go, never drag and drop a field like this. Okay, this will give you, it will take the data, it will sum all the data on the fly. Instead of already you have summed it. Where is your total loan amount? Simply drag and drop this. It will give you. And this one you need to have proper symbols. Go and try to put the currency symbols. Yesterday I have applied Hindi symbols, right? So the same symbol you need to apply for the measures as well. Somewhere English, India. So this one I want to apply. For this one also, you can just go try to apply for all these measures. And for this also, you should be able to apply every time, not every time. Once you need to go and apply. So this is the total loan amount. And when you go, this is total loan amount. When you go here, total principal amount also I wanted to have. There is no sum here. So always you need to create like this. But still, I'm not able to get INR, right? How do you get INR now? You need to go and write one more DAX. On this sum, you have to create INR. So how to create and create one more measure? Click on this, go one more new measure I would like to create. So click on this loans and go to new measure. So what is that I wanted to have? I wanted to have whatever be the total loan amount that we have created. Now I want to convert into INR. Okay, loan amount is shown in this one. So how do you convert? You need to do some kind of a formula. What is the formula? Let me give you. So we wanted to have a formula. What is the formula that you wanted to have? Convert all currencies into INR. So what is the formula? I got it. So this is the formula. I'm able to get it. Now first what we have done steps, let me give you. Always you need to create measures for all your sums or averages. Create a measure first. Okay, create a measure. So for what measure I have created? For the sum of loan amount. Okay. So this one measure I have created like that. For average also, you can create one more measure. So for all your measures, you should be able to create. And one more thing, sum of loan principal amount also. Okay, for that also I have a prepaid. So loan principal amount also I have a prepaid. So you need to prepare first one some measures like this. How to prepare I have shown you, right? For average, minimum, maximum, blah blah blah. This is what you need to do. Now the next one, what I'm trying to do, convert. Okay, your millions, convert your millions into what is that INR. So for that, what is the thing I wanted to tell you? First, you need to check The amount, whatever be the total amount we're talking about, we have created a measure on this. The measure name is called total amount. Okay, total loan amount, right? So this is one measure created. If the total loan amount is greater than 1 crore, so what I'm trying to do, I'm taking the loan amount divided by this, and whatever be the value I'm getting, I'm going to be uh, rounding it to two decimals. So it is going to be applied. The round function is applied. I'm going to be, keeping only two decimals. So the value will be getting. So for that, I'm going to be concatenating crores, right? Else, I'm going to be, if it is a lakhs means if it is more than this, then I'm going to be taking the value. If this value is greater than a lakh, then try to do this and give the lakhs. And else, if it is, whatever be the loan amount that is there, right? So this is what I'm going to be converting total loan amount into crores or lakhs or a total loan amount. I want to have a crores, but I'll take this. I'll create so one more measure called total loan amount and underscore, it is going to be converted into INR. Why did I use switch case? Because if I wanted to write a multiple cases, we need to use a switch. In the DAX queries, you're going to be learning DAX queries, right? Inside that, I would have spoken about switch. This one measure, you need to have it for the loan amount. And the same thing, you are going to be doing it for the loan principal amount also. Okay, loan principal amount underscore INR. This is one more measure you're going to be creating, and you will be able to go and implement. You will get a crores like this. When you go, try to create a measure. So go. So how to create a measure? One more measure. Step number one, normal measure you have created. This is normal measure, right? After that, I have created one more measure, total loan amount INR switch. So the first column will be a condition column. So in the switch, I have to give true. Then if it is greater than 1 crore, then divide by 1 crore, and whatever be the value that you're able to get, so you need to attach crores, and before that you need to attach, Indian currency symbols. Also, it is a concatenation. Else, you need to divide the same value into divided by lakh. So if it is greater than this, then convert into this and rounding into two decimals. Then attaching lakhs, and you are going to be, prefixing currency symbol. Else, the same loan amount and prefixing with the currency symbol. So this is the one formula I have written to convert millions into crores and lakhs and thousands. Clear? This will be crores, lakhs. This will be else. Else means thousands. Clear? So like that, I have converted for the loan amount. I have converted for the principal amount also. So the same formula you can apply everywhere. If somebody asks you, how do you convert? This is the one. Then afterwards, what I have done? You need to go and come here, try to drag and drop. This is total loan amount in INR. So you will be able to get 33.3 lakhs. So this will be, you have to go and get this total loan principal amount 28.33 lakhs. You can change the font size and everything if you want to change it later, right? So how to change the font size? Click on this. You will be able to go and try to do the font size and everything here, right? So the values, it is a 45, then make it to 20, right? Or make it to, let us say, 30. So go and format a painter, apply it. You will be able to get, click on this. Let me go and call out a value to as not needed. That's it. Okay. So this is how you should be able to get some things and try to implement in your DAX formula. People may ask you, what kind of a DAX expressions you have written? So this is one simple DAX expression I have written. Instead of taking the this value, instead of dragging and dropping this loan amount, so or this loan amount, what I have done, I have created one total loan amount. This is a measure. and I have created one more measure. In this, nothing, only I put sum and I put drag and drop this column. That's it. So in this also, I have put the sum and drag and drop the same column. That's it. That is what is this. This is step number one. Step number two, what I have taken, I need to add. So I have taken now this column and I have applied here. I have taken this column and I have applied here if the total loan amount. So this is loan amount, this is total loan amount. If the total loan amount is greater than 1 crore and divided by 1 crore and round it to two decimals and add crores, right? If it is a loan principal amount is greater than 1 crore, like that, I have used these two measures inside this. So always you need to create measures, never drag and drop these values here. So people may ask you, so what kind of a measures you have created? Give me one example. So what is that you have implemented so that you will be able to get this formula and try to give this one simple formula and try to implement. This is underscore INR. This is underscore INR. Remember, for all your measures, measures means on this, measures means what? Balance column, salary column, bonus column, quantity column. On this, you wanted to perform summing, average, this kind of actions. Those are called as measures. On that, you never drag and drop as it is. You create measures always on top of the measures. You will be able to perform the card visualization and everything. So this one is going to be giving you total loan amount is this much and principal loan amount is this much. When they give this much amount, this is the total they have got it. So what is the profit? You can say 28 minus 3, 33 minus 3 uh, minus 28.33. When you do the minus operation, you will be able to get the profit that is, right? So this is one thing. I want to know in which regions people are taking more or which city the customer is taking more loans. Let me go and try to implement this. So do we have a branch? So let me take a branch name or the branch ID. Which branch the more loans? So you should not be taking loan amount. Always the better we have the loan INR, right? This is the one you should be able to take it. Okay, I'm not able to take it because this one have a lot of concatenation symbols and everything. So better I will be able to take this. Okay. So this one again, you need to convert. Have you seen? So there is a problem here. We need to again convert this into rupees. So that one we can have it here because if you want to convert into rupees, so here I'm not able to get it because here a lot of concatenation symbols and everything is available. If I'm trying to keep, no, nothing is available here. So I want to fix that issue. I want to go and again you need to convert this value. It is branch BR1 doing more sales. BR1 means what? If you instead of branch BR1, I want to have a branch name. Have. So Chittur branch is doing good, Karnool branch is doing good. Like that, you are going to begin converting it to mill. So this one you can convert into uh, format. So the formatting conditions we can apply on these values. So how to do the conditional formatting? You can simply go click on this. You can on the values. This is a y-axis, right? On this y-axis value, you will be able to have the values here, right? Values are automatically displayed, right? So here you will be able to convert them. Okay. So here I wanted to do some conversions so that we can convert all of them into, millions. Display units are auto. This one you will be able to convert. Okay. Na? So display units are auto. So this is the one I would like to make it change like that. So when you do the real-time projects, a lot of things you will understand because even though we're able to get lakhs here, the same thing I'm not able to keep it here because when I'm keeping it here, I'm able to get errors, right? So because I have concatenated a lot of things for the card visualization, it is okay, but remaining things it is not working fine. So why it is not working and how to make it universal, that we can discuss later. So one more, which branch is doing good? Chittur branch is doing good. Like that, we will be able to create lot many reports. So we have a lot of data and that will be using and will create lot of other things also. And I wanted to know, uh, you know, co- loans, how many times they have paid, they paid proper loans or not, how many installments they paid, right? So that is also I wanted to have it. Given one loan, I wanted to have whether the loan, all the EMIs are paid properly or not. I wanted to create one simple report like that. So let me go try to create one table. So I wanted to have, so customer ID, and I wanted to have uh, loan ID. So loan ID, then customer ID, and what is the loan amount? Okay. What is the principal amount? Principal amount. What is the interest rate? Okay. And what is the loan status? What is the tenure in months? Simple. This one report I would like to see it. Okay. So these many customers have taken the loans. Sum of loan amount is this, blah, blah, blah. Whether they paid all the EMIs or not, I wanted to check it out. So how to do that? Let me go, try to go and click on home format painter. I wanted to apply this. So these are the loans and payments. Okay. So loans and payments they wanted to see. So this guy has taken 50,000 rupees amount, whether how many installments he paid. So I wanted to go and try to take one more this one and apply the borders and everything. So I wanted to see loans, so payments. Okay. So for which loan ID, loan payment ID, loan ID, loan amount, and when did they pay? For example, when I click on loan ID 1, he paid only two installments. Uh, he paid only two installments, three installments. So loan paid amount also need to be converted into this one, Indian rupees. So how much amount he has taken this guy? 50,000 and 4,800 only he made. So sum of principal amount. I don't need sum. So loan ID duplicates by loan ID. So loan ID and loan amount paid, loan date. Okay, loan paid date. And this guy loan ID is 1. For this one loan ID, only one payment. This is payments, right? Okay, I need to, I have taken wrongly this. So here I need to have loans, customer ID, loan ID, now loan principal amount, and this is not sum because on this loan type ID, that's it. So when I click on loan ID, he made three installments. He taken 50,000 rupees. He made only three installments. Click on two, and he paid. He has taken 30,000 rupees. So he has taken uh, two installments. Okay, so that you can loan ID number three. He made count of loan payment ID. Why is the count? So this is the one. So this one you need to check. So loan ID, you need to click on this loan ID. For this loan ID, how many installments you have done it. Okay. So this one will tell you whether you are able to see the correct data or not. Okay. So for example, this guy has loan number three. Loan ID is three. So when you click on this, how many installments he paid, you will come to know. Click on this loan three, loan number three. When you click on this three, he paid three installments, 27,000 rupees he paid. Okay. So loan ID, loan number is four, and he made these in installments. Loan number 12, okay, he paid this much amount. So that is also you will be able to click on this and you'll come to know whether the data that you have entered is correct or wrong. 94,000 loan has taken. What is the amount is paid so far? Okay. So what is the installments? Are they taking properly or not? So all this data is single payments data, but you need to have some data where they made all the payments. They have taken, let us say, 50,000 rupees. This guy uh, loan tenure 24 months EMI tenure if is taken means 24 installments is supposed to get it here. So that kind of a data also you need to have it here for the checking purpose. Okay, what is the loan tenure? So tenure in months also, this is not, should not be summarized. So in this, let me go click on loan tenure. So loan tenure in 12 months. If it is loan type is, what kind of a loan type it is? If it is weekly loan, where is that loan type? Let me go, and loan type also I wanted to have it. If it is a monthly loan means a 12 installments they're supposed to have it. Weekly loan means every week. So 6 into 4, 24 EMIs they're supposed to have it. Personal loan means monthly loans only, right? So monthly loan means 12 installments they're supposed to have it. All these things you need to verify so that we can see it later. So we'll continue further, guys. Hope you are able to understand the requirements clearly and try to create this kind of a DAX formulas and try to implement. So, chalo, we can continue further tomorrow.